This is ZHTP, Zero Knowledge Hidden Transport Protocol, decentralized quantum resistant protocol aiming to replace certificate authorities through zero knowledge proofs. As I run this system test, it's going to first make quantum key pairs for the nodes, and then it's going to set up the distributed hash table network for our storage, and then it's going to start setting up the content hosting and ID retrieval for the DHT network, and then it's going to set up the smart contract platform, our WASM platform, our zero knowledge proof, our routing circuits, and our storage circuits, and our consensus and rewards. Because it's a blockchain distributed network, we can actually reward our nodes for routing packets. Reviewing the logs a bit more here, we'll see that this is that system test that I just ran. It first created a discovery node, and then it created nodes with quantum resistant key pairs. And tested if nodes could connect to that discovery node. Once that was verified, it continued to set up the distributed hash table. That's how we can store data within a blockchain. Then set up the browser, the front end for ZHTP, also tested a connection timeout. During the setup, content was stored in the DHT to the browser, and the browser then deployed a DApp, rewarded the nodes for successfully routing packets. The main goal for ZHTP is to completely bypass certificate authorities, move away from checking data and checking routes, improving data and proving routes with math and zero knowledge proofs. Run the test module to run all of the tests that I wrote for all of the functionality of ZHTP. Let's run this. Now there are quite a few tests here. Briefly run through them. Chain adapter is future interoperability with future chains like Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, etc. You can see that the core routing, the core storing, and consensus rewards are all working. Track deployment is working, and storage proofs are all working. Actually already working on interoperability nodes of the ZHTP network to be rewarded for wrapping packets through HTTPS onto ZHTP.